Exploring the Django Admin Interface step-by-step guide. Hello learners. In this lesson, you will learn how to use Django's admin interface to manage your web applications backend easily. The admin interface helps you edit, and delete records, manage users, and more. Step 1. Creating a superuser. A superuser is an admin who can access all features of the Django admin interface. Follow these steps to create a superuser. Open your terminal and run activate Django environment, in my case DJ, then change directory, then run Python manage.py create super user username, for example my name, email, and we should choose a strong password. Confirm a password. Superuser create successfully. Step 2. Accessing the admin interface. Start the Django development server by running Python manage.py run server. Open the admin page in your browser. Enter your username and password to log in. Customizing the admin interface. You can customize how the admin panel looks and works by editing the admin.py file in your app. Some customizations include adding new fields to forms, changing how data is displayed, adding search and filtering options. For example, let's customize the admin panel to show the question model from the Pools app. Step 4. Registering models in the admin panel. To display models in the admin panel, you need to register them. Follow these steps. Open the admin.py file in your app folder. From Django.contrib, import admin. From .models, import question. Admin.site register question and save. Once registered, the question model will appear in the admin panel for easy data management. In summary, create a superuser, set up an admin user to access the admin interface, access the admin panel, open the browser and log in to manage your data, customize the admin, modify the admin interface to suit your needs, and register models. Make your app's models visible in the admin panel. By following these steps, you will be able to manage your Django app efficiently using the admin interface.